Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap on the sound and vibration section. Here we can see the notifications, ringtone and alarm section. We can change them here just by this way, by select one from the available ringtones. We can also here change the media, ringtone, notification and alarm button panels just by slide to the left or to the right side by this way. Also we have here the sound assistant. We can activate or turn off the switcher here to adjust media sound in multiple apps, change multiple apps, activate or multiple audio sources. We can activate the silent mode to silence media in silent mode. Also we can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode to set a schedule time, to turn it on, the start and the end time, to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, to activate it when device is locked, to notify about the calls from, for example, from anyone, just from your device contacts only, or also to notify about repeated calls. We can also activate the vibration for calls and in silent mode. And here we have the haptic feedback. We can turn on or turn off this feature, and we can change the haptic feedback level. In additional settings, we have here also the dial buttons, tap sounds, the tap screen sounds. So the lock unlock sounds, screenshot, uninstalling, deleting item sounds, the charging sounds, the startup sounds. So we can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.